Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today for lunch I'm making a baked chicken, I'm making some baked potatoes, and I'm also making some string beans. In my description I'm going to put all the ingredients that I use and the quantity, but I'm just going to show you because I seasoned it yesterday, put it in my fridge, and I took it out 30 minutes ago. So for my seasoning I use lemon and pepper seasoning. I put some paprika. I use some ground spice. I use chicken knorr seasoning. I use some granulated onion. I used Italian seasoning. Some ground ginger. And this is the pepper that I use. This pepper is from Liberia. It's like a ground hot cayenne pepper. So I also put that in there when I seasoned it. The only thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some avocado oil because it stands high heat. And that's what I'm going to put on it and put it in my oven. I have my oven, it's a 6-pound chicken. So I'm going to do 15 minutes for each pound. So the first 15 minutes I have my oven at 425. After that 15 minutes I'm going to bring it down to 400, and that's what I'm going to bake it on. That's the chicken that I seasoned yesterday, and if I turn it over you will see this side. So this is how I had it split in the middle. So now I'm going to put some avocado oil and just rub it on the chicken. I'm trying so when it's in the oven it don't burn. Okay, I'm going to put my chicken here, and I'm going to put the breast part up. All my seasoning that's left over, I'm just going to put it on the chicken. What was left in the pan. Okay, I have some parchment paper right here. And I'm going to cover it and put it in my oven. And like I say, I will watch the time. After 15 minutes, I will turn my oven down to 400. And I forgot to tell you that I put it on the middle rack in my oven. So now I have my potato that I've washed, and I'm just going to take it and cut it in the middle like this, and maybe I'll do about 3. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want, but this is how I'm going to do mine. I'm keeping the skin on. So let me cut it all up and I'll be back. I've cut up all my potatoes, so I buy a lot of vegetables that go bad. So now what I do, I take it before it go bad and I chop it up. I put it in ice cubes and put it in my freezer until I'm ready to cook. So this is avocado oil, it has cilantro, and it has basil. So that's what I'm going to be putting on my potatoes. So I was telling you that I'm putting kosher salt, and then my phone started to ring, so I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna let this melt. I got this Thai sweet ginger sauce that I'm gonna put on it, and this I got from Trader Joe's. It gives it a nice hearty taste. I want to eat some, so I think I'll just take my vegetable with the oil and just put it in my microwave for a few seconds. So I nuked it in the microwave to make it faster. And if you don't have that sauce, you can just put the vegetables with the salt. My oven is going to be on 400 degrees for this. And I'm going to cover it with foil paper. Seal it up and it's going in the oven. I'm going to be making some string beans. So the string beans that I'm doing, I'm going to put it in the microwave. I'm going to steam it. It's the bird's eye one. It has all the instructions on the back that you place it this side up and you lay it flat. I'm going to microwave it on high for 6 minutes. I'm not going to pierce the bag. As it starts to steam, the steam will start coming out. As it starts to cook, you can see here where the steam will come out from. And after the 6 minutes, I'll leave it in the bag for 1 to 2 minutes and then open it up, put some of my salted butter with it, and it's time to eat. But I'm not going to do that until my chicken and my baked potato is almost done, and then I will do this because I don't want it soggy just sitting there. So I'll be back when everything is coming out of the oven. I took the chicken out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. Nice and roasted. I took the potatoes out of the oven. I baked it for 40 minutes. And I'm about to take my string beans out of the microwave. I took the string beans out of the pack. This is the butter that I'm putting on it. I can't believe that it's not butter. I don't like bland food. Let it melt and mix it. Because the butter has salt, I didn't add any salt, but if you feel like you need some, you can add some. So I'm about to plate my food. And my food is ready. I have my baked chicken, my baked potato, string beans, and I also put some of that Thai sauce that I'm going to be eating my chicken with. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye bye.